So now let's look at the significant figures rule in calculation. So in multiplication and division, the final answer is written to have the same number of significant figures as the measurement with the fewest significant figures. All right. So for example, if you have 2.8 times 67.40 divided by 34.8, 2.8 has two significant figures and 67.40 has four significant figures. 34.8 have three significant figures. And you get your calculator display this. So now, since your final answer should have the least amount of significant figures, then your final answer should have two significant figures, which is consistent with 2.8. And you round this to two significant figures, 5, 4, give that, and 2 is less than 5, so we just drop the rest. Your final answer should be 5.4. So if the calculator answer is give you a small whole number, but you need more significant figures, and we just add one or more zeros after the decimal. So let's say you have 16.00 divided by 4.00, right? So the first top number has four significant figures. The bottom one has three. And then calculate shows you 4. But based on the significant figure rule, you should have 3 significant figures in your final answer. And we just write as 4.00. It gives us 3 significant figures. So your calculate number should always show how accurate your measurements are. Now, in addition and subtraction, the final answer is written so that it has same number of decimal places as the measurement have the fewest decimal places. So in addition and subtraction, we're looking at decimal places, not significant figures anymore, right? So if we have 2.045 plus 34.1, based on your calculator, it will show as 36.145. Okay, now your final answer should have the fewest decimal. So in 34.1, it's to the 10th place. So now your final answer should also to the 10th place. Now we keep 0.1 and then we round off 4, 5. So your final answer should be 36.1.